So Apple Watch OS 6 is now available. We're going to talk about what the new features are and how to upgrade your watch to make sure you have the latest Apple Watch OS. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss or release some cool, helpful content. So the new Apple Watch OS is now available and you should definitely download it because it comes with some really cool new features. But before you do, we're going to show you exactly how to download and update your Apple Watch to make sure you're at the latest OS. Before you do though, there's a couple of caveats you definitely should check. First, you want to make sure that your watch has at least 50% power. If it doesn't, make sure it's at least connected to your charger. You don't want to lose power in the middle of an update. That can cause a lot of problems. You also want to make sure that you're not running any kind of beta profiles either on your watch or on your iPhone. If you want to learn how to do that, I'm going to link a video up top where I talk about how to check if you're running any kind of beta profiles. I'll also put it in the description of this video. So when you've made sure you're not running any beta profiles and you made sure that your watch is at least 50% charged, you're now ready to do the Watch OS update. Before we kick off the update, make sure that you're running the latest iOS on your phone as well, so you can go into your general settings and check to make sure you're fully up to date. Apple's been releasing these updates, patches pretty frequently nowadays because iOS 13 is such a buggy mess. I won't get into that too much, but you want to make sure you're at the latest version of iOS 13, and then you want to go into your watch companion app, go into general, and you'll see an update option there. You're going to click on that update option and click on the download information for the new Watch OS update. It's going to go through the update process and update your watch to the latest OS. Now the update process can take anywhere from 10 minutes to a half an hour depending on your signal and depending on the size of the update itself. So the best thing to do is just to let it do its thing. Once it's completed, you can log in and you have access to the new Watch OS features. And those features are going to be a dedicated app store. So WatchOS 6 brings a dedicated app store to the Apple Watch. It allows you to basically download applications directly to the Apple Watch without using your iPhone. So you have access to all those applications at the touch of your wrist, basically, and you can even search for different applications using Siri in the brand new App Store. It also has a new activity trends feature, and what this feature does is just basically tracks your activity and gives you different trends on those activities over a 90-day comparison usually. So sitting, standing, moving, you can track basically over the 90 days the trends of how long you stand, how long you sit, how long you walk. It gives you the ability to kind of keep track of the trends that you are doing on a day-to-day basis and kind of makes you more aware of if you're standing too much or if you're sitting too much or if you're not walking enough. You can see those trends either going down or going up and make corrections accordingly. It also updates Siri with some different Siri enhanced features. One of the cool things you could do with Siri now is if you hear like a track playing and you want to know what it is, you can just raise your hand and Siri will basically listen to that track and tell you exactly what it is automatically. You can also request web pages and scroll through web pages directly from the wrist instead of using your iPhone. So it's just more enhancements to actually using the watch independent of the iPhone. So sometimes the iPhone can just stay in your pocket. And of course, you're going to have access to the new watch faces that come with WatchOS 6. Apple always does a pretty good job of making sure their watch faces vary in their complexity and also in their style. So I'm sure you're going to find something that you like. And audiobooks. Audiobooks now actually automatically sync to your Apple Watch. So as long as the audiobook that you're using is in the Read Now list, automatically syncs to your Watch OS, and you can just tap the cover and start playing and picking up right where you left off, no matter what iOS device you were reading it on before. So you can see that WatchOS 6 offers a plethora of new features that you can use: the dedicated app store, syncing of your audiobooks, enhanced Siri function, enhanced health tracking functions. There's a lot of cool things here that you can check out on your new Apple Watch. Apple WatchOS 6 is now available, so you should definitely go in, download, update, take advantage of these features. You can download it on any Apple Watch Series 2 and up without any issues, but again, make sure you're running the latest iOS 13 on your device. Have you downloaded the new Apple Watch OS? Let us know what you think in the comment section below this video. If you're having any issues downloading or any problems in general, share that in the comment section below this video as well. This video is going to teach you how to troubleshoot any kind of Bluetooth issues you may have with your Apple Watch that could prevent you from updating. And this video is something that YouTube believes you'd enjoy watching. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys, peace.